Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a new component in Fritzing. So basically in order to do this, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to just download your component and make sure that it's inside your computer. Therefore, all we have to do is to actually import the component that we want to add. So if it's not showing up on the core parts, you could click on this drop down menu. Now it's going to be this little tiny button beside the search icon. So just click on it. And then of course we have to click on the import button. From here, you just want to look for the part that you want to import. And basically from there, it will then show up inside this page. And so guys, that's how easy it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.